Minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome to Linda's Oishi Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make easy chicken chashu. So, let's get started. The chicken version of the Japanese ramen topping. Flavorful chicken slices made by simmering chicken in a sweet soy sauce, then left to marinate to soak in the delicious seasoning. First, gather all the ingredients. In a small saucepan, add all ingredients for the sauce: water, shoyu or soy sauce, sake, mirin, rice vinegar, sugar, and grated ginger. Bring to boil. When it starts boiling, place the chicken, skin side down. Simmer for about 2 minutes on medium heat. Then, turn over and simmer for another 2 minutes. Turn over again and simmer on low heat for 2 minutes. Then, turn over and simmer for another 2 minutes. Turn off the heat and let the chashu sit for about 30 minutes before serving. Slice to your liking. Or chashu tastes more delicious the next day. After slicing, place the chicken chashu and the sauce in a small container and keep in the fridge for one night. Enjoy! Itadakimasu! Oishi! Tender and delicious marinated chicken in a sweet and savory sauce. Enjoy as a ramen topping or in a bowl of steamed rice. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe. Ja matane, see you soon.